morning, everyone. We are cleaning up after a snow day. And it wasn't just a snow day, it was a weekend at home to just rest and relax. And it's so rare for us to have that unless we're traveling. And even sometimes when you get traveling, it's like you're go, 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 go. So it was nice to have just a weekend to rest and relax and not have to go anywhere. We could if we like really pushed ourselves, but it was still a risk in our eyes. This is the largest amount of snowfall we've had at one time in a long time. We had somewhere, it's still being debated, somewhere between 6 to 8 inches. Some of our yard measured at 8, some of our yard measured at 6. So, and that was like flat to the yard. Some of the level places measured 6, some measured 8. So we're saying 6 to 8. So we're still cleaning it from that. But I also see it as a plus because again, we got a whole weekend just to relax. We took turns cooking. The kids did a lunch one day. Matt did breakfast one day. We picked up pizza like Sunday afternoon, so like before we had to risk getting out on icy roads or anything. And then we just stayed home Sunday night. But one of the plus sides, a second plus side was, see, we had to wash all the coats because everybody just got soaking wet in the snow because it was like a wet snow. And I was like, you know, that's a lot of laundry. But what it's also going to allow us to do is, they're saying this is probably our last hurrah for winter of just winter stuff to do, was the last snowfall we just had. And the other scary part was for a lot of people was it fell on the 29-year anniversary of the blizzard of 93. And if you talk to anybody in the South, you'll know what the blizzard of 93 is. But it was like everybody was kind of freaking out about that. We just went about our normal shopping for Friday for a normal regular week at home kind of Friday. So it wasn't a huge to do. Like we got a couple of extra things, but it was for like preparing for travel, not preparing for Snowmageddon. But like I said, number 2 was all the coats got washed. And the reason why that's a plus for us is right at the end of winter, I want to wash all the kids' coats, have them just washed. We wash all the coats. We have one place where everybody's coats hang out and everybody gets one thick coat. And then everybody usually has like 2 hoodies each because unless it's super cold, everybody usually wears hoodies. I'm cool with that. And then a couple of them ask for like, and we also have like, they're all basically the same size when it comes to like shirts. So they share cardigans between them. Some of the bigger girls' cardigans don't fit the younger girls, but overall they just share cardigans. So those go into the coat closet as well. But I needed to get these coats washed and I needed time to do it. And I had time at home because, you know, we just had a weekend at home and all that. So taking advantage of that, doing some cleaning, bringing you along as we go. So Matt has suggested, he said whenever he watches YouTube, a lot of the ones that he watches, he prefers watching when they do breaks of speed, super fast videos with talking videos. So let me know y'all, if you're the ones that just like, you like just nothing, 100% super fast videos with music on, or if you like the ones where there's talking breaks, or if you want the ones where there's just talking. I pause every time I'm done cleaning and not like show the actual cleaning. Like I clean it, I tell you I cleaned it, and then I talk some more. Or if you like the ones where it's like this, where it's gonna be mixed of super fast cleaning mode and the talking. But yeah, I wanted to explain that. So we're gonna get these coats hung up. We're gonna get caught up on the rest of the laundry because everybody wore like 2 to 3 layers each because it was the coldest it's been in a really long time. We actually had temperatures in the teens. That's not common for us in March. And we had 6 to 8 inches of snow. So like we had a lot of layers on, had the coats. But now we have time to get the coats done, get the laundry caught up, and we already had a super easy school day today anyway. So let's get some work done today.